Get connected at East Trails Middle School. My name is Rhea Moses, Assistant Principal and Athletic Director for East Trails Middle School. We are extremely excited for students to connect through activities and athletic experiences next school year. We encourage all students to be a part of at least one club, activity, or sport. Research shows the more connected students are to their schools and involved in extracurricular activities, the better they perform in school academically. Sixth grade students will have a variety of club offerings. We are continuing to finalize our club list moving forward. Athletics will be adding sixth graders to cross country and wrestling. Seventh graders will have the opportunity to play football and track, as well as intramurals for seventh grade for basketball and volleyball. Again, our hope is that every student can find an activity or sport that provides a positive and thriving environment for your child to feel a sense of belonging at East Trails Middle School.